Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create delicious Sichuan noodles right in your own kitchen. We'll start by gathering all the key ingredients, from fresh noodles to aromatic spices. This dish is known for its bold and complex flavors, and I'm excited to guide you through each step. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a truly unforgettable meal that will impress everyone. Next, we'll dive into crafting the heart of our Sichuan noodles, the chili oil and the savory sauce. Heating 1 cup of neutral oil with whole spices like star anise creates a wonderfully fragrant base. Then, carefully pouring this hot oil over 1/2 cup of chili flakes infuses it with incredible depth. Finally, we'll whisk together soy sauce, black vinegar, and toasted sesame paste for that perfect balance of flavors. Now it's time to cook our main components. First, boil 8 ounces of fresh noodles until they are perfectly al dente, just as the package suggests. While the noodles cook, brown 4 ounces of ground pork in a hot wok until it's beautifully crumbled and fully cooked through. Remember to drain your noodles well, but keep a little bit of that starchy cooking water. It's a secret ingredient for a silky sauce. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, assembling your incredible Sichuan noodles. Start by dividing the rich, savory sauce evenly into 2 serving bowls. Then, add your perfectly cooked noodles and the flavorful ground pork, tossing everything together until every strand is beautifully coated. Finish with a generous sprinkle of fresh chopped scallions, crunchy crushed peanuts, and a final drizzle of that amazing homemade chili oil. Enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.